Hi. Thank you for choosing Reason Up. Reason Up was designed to protect growing businesses like yours. Here's how you can protect your business in just a few steps. This is your security dashboard. The dashboard indicates your business's defense status. Your employees' protection level, and the number of cyber threats detected by Reason Up. To monitor your employees' protection level, click here. Once all of your employees install Reason Up, they will be fully protected. In the Protection Overview screen, you'll be able to see the threats they encountered. Now that you're fully protected, you can stay focused on what matters the most: your business's growth.